Welcome to DJH Prestige and Sports, where we've just had this new Mercedes arrive into stock here. It's the Mercedes A-Class, it's the AMG. It's in absolutely fantastic condition. It's beautiful red paintwork. It's got front park distance control. This colour just absolutely pops at you, it's lovely. Gleaming. Full AMG body styling kit, including rear diffuser, twin exhausts, as you can see, boot area is in lovely condition, comes with the rear parcel shelf. Got a lovely AMG half leather Alcantara with red stitch piping, electric mirrors, electric windows. It has got a few lovely extras on this one as well. I'll just show you inside the car. Just start it up. Some 102,542 miles. So we've got satellite navigation. We've got reverse camera, climate control and air conditioning, 6-speed gearbox, multifunction steering wheel, cruise control, auto headlights. Interior is lovely. Got some USB there. All our vehicles are pictured and videoed outside for better viewing, but all the cars are kept in the showroom, so you can have any look in any weather. At DJH we provide full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.